Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe met with Sri Lankan expatriate community in New Zealand. Prime Minister Wickremesinghe, who is on a 4-day official tour of New Zealand, met the Sri Lankan expat community at the Mount Albert War Memorial Hall in Auckland.
One thing I learned from New Zealand is that, like Sri Lanka, you are committed to a strong social policy. Virtually, we will both be having, like Germany, a social market economy. And that's what we are also now planning to build here. We committed ourselves at the last election to build a highly competitive social market economy. So in this environment, we thought first, we should all be together. If Sri Lanka has to be put into order, we have to work together.
The Prime Minister then took part in a question and answer session with the audience. A youth questioned the Premier on the next presidential election.
We still haven't decided whether the President is to be elected by the House. We are talking of having a Senate, or by the Parliament and the Senate, or whether by Parliament, Senate or the Provincial Council. Because we are doing away with the executive presidency, and how we are going to elect the President, we still have to decide, but these are the three options.
Following his meeting with the Sri Lankan expatriate community, Prime Minister Wickremesinghe addressed the Sri Lanka-New Zealand Business Council at the Centre for Trade and Enterprise in Auckland. In his address, Prime Minister Wickremesinghe extended an invitation to the business community to seize the opportunity to invest in Sri Lanka, which is transforming to the financial hub of the Indian Ocean.
One reason that we have come here with a large delegation is to further expand the commercial side of our relationship. When Prime Minister John Key came to Colombo last February, we discussed the opportunities for New Zealand companies to come into Sri Lanka. Just as much as we talked of what Sri Lankan companies can do here in New Zealand. Now we will open missions, one in Colombo for New Zealand and the other here for Sri Lanka. For both our countries have to find new markets and new products. We are looking at new areas where we could certainly, which would be open up to the private sector, or where the private sector would find new opportunities. Certainly, many opportunities for those in New Zealand, big and small, to come into Sri Lanka.
Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe thereafter visited the Auckland Zoo, which is now home to Anjali, an elephant calf which was gifted by President Maithripala Sirisena to New Zealand Prime Minister John Key during his visit to Sri Lanka in February last year.